Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. My beautiful friends, I just woke up. These are the first words I have spoken in the morning. So good morning, my friends. We're going to get straight into this in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. But first, let's check the crypto fear and greed index. See what we're looking at. Currently, we are at 22. All right. This is a good sign. Very good sign. And I'll explain why in a second. Bitcoin up 5.65%. So, what do you think Elon is doing right now? What do you think it's doing? Let's check it out. It is indeed up over 10%, over double what Bitcoin is up. And that is just what we are looking at. This is the parabolic moves that we are going to see. We are going to move at least double. When Bitcoin hits 60K, we are going to be testing all-time highs. My beautiful friends, we are at a little spike right now. We are testing this previous resistance, which is a beautiful thing at the 1351 level. Now, what we want to see today is us push higher and hold above this 1351. That will be extremely bullish and showing that we are pushing past previous resistance and moving higher to the upside. Now, a good thing that we need to look out for is, look at this. The volume is not that big yet, okay? So, that shows that the sellers have tapered off and the buyers are stepping back in. However, this is simply following Bitcoin right now. And whenever Bitcoin moves up, this is going to move up as well. For all of you beautiful people in the Patreon that have started averaging in around these 12 levels, mid 11 levels, congratulations. If you want to join the Patreon and you simply just can't watch these charts or you don't know how, check it out because I post my real-time buy and sell alerts and daily updates on the market and what the levels we need to be watching are. So, for those of you in the Patreon, what we are waiting for and what you guys really need to tune in for is whenever we see a spike like this one, which we will in the coming weeks, 2 months, we will see a spike like this, and you need to turn your notifications on because we need to get out at the top. And the only way to do that, it happens in a few days. The only way to do that is to have those Patreon notifications on, because it takes a little bit to get my computer and make these type of videos. So, anyways, this is what we're looking at. Let's get into some lower time frames. I am super pumped for you guys, because I know a lot of you guys are making money right now, and that makes me extremely, extremely happy. Look at this. Okay, so we are testing this previous high at 1342, so we want to see a push higher. Excuse me, first yawn of the day, my beautiful friends. We want to see a push higher and close above, creating this 1342 level a new support. So currently, we are seeing, look at this. This is almost a 3-bar play right here. It is somewhat looking like it, but not really. It wasn't a red candle. It was too bullish. But we did come back down, test this 50% level, and then push higher to the upside. So, my prediction for the day is we will close above this 1346 level and possibly even test these 14s, okay? That's what we want to see, is these 14 levels being tested. Our next level of resistance will be these right here, okay? That is our next level. So we want to watch, and we want to watch very closely. How did I get this rectangle? I didn't look at the price. I looked at the previous price action at the top of this candle wick here to the bottom of this red candle. That is our range that we need to watch for previous resistance. Woo! Second yawn of the day, my friends. All right. Yeah, so we are chill action and looking great, up 12.47%. Market cap is approaching 1 billion again, 742 million. Now, right now, it wouldn't be the best time to average in. All of you beautiful people that have been averaging in around these areas, congratulations. I have said to do that in the past videos, so a lot of you, especially those of you in the Patreon, are in around these 10 levels. So, congratulations, you are up still 40%. Now, if you averaged more in, you'll be up a little less, but same dollar amount right now. And whenever we spike, you'll make a lot more money, especially if you averaged in around these 12 levels. So congratulations to those of you beautiful people who did that. And follow the buy and sell alerts. So this is what we need to look out for in the future. I'll make it real simple for all you newbies. Today, we want to see a push above 1342, which we are seeing right now, and a close above, preferably this 1366 level. This top previous wick, we want to close above today. If we do that, that's extremely bullish. Now, we probably will see some selling pressure around these 1366 levels, but the biggest thing is that we want to turn this 1350 level into support today. If we can do that today, that means we have a very high probability of moving upwards to these 14 levels and testing, possibly even breaking through them, creating new support tomorrow. So, now, inevitably, this will happen. It's just a matter of time. So, if you are looking for the best time to get in, then right now would not be the best time to average in, and let me explain why. Because, first of all, averaging in at these 12 levels would have been your best bet. And let's say you didn't do that. You just didn't come around to doing that. You didn't pull the trigger. That's okay. Because third yawn of the day, my beautiful people, that's okay. Because anything under these 15 levels, first of all, is a great buying opportunity. However, if you really want to get the best price, what you need to watch, you want to see for a little pullback. You don't ever want to buy in a spike like this, okay? Just take that out of your trading, all right? If you see green candles, you don't want to get in. You always want to get in on a pullback. So, what you want to see, what you want to wait for is a pullback. Literally, that's it. You want to wait for it to pull back and buy around these 0.5 Fibonacci levels, okay? Or maybe even the 0.236. It depends on how bullish it is. Now, if we see a little pullback and the Bitcoin continues to push higher, get your crap in. You better start averaging in because it's gonna rocket without you. So if it pulls back to this 0.236 level, Bitcoin is still rocketing. It's a beautiful time to average in. Now, however, if let's say Bitcoin's retracing as well, you want to watch Bitcoin as well as Dogelon Mars, and get in around these 0.5 levels. Beautiful. Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon. There are a few spots left. I'll definitely open a few spots right now for you beautiful people that want to join because, we are growing strong. We're almost at 40. Let's get to 40 today. Let's do it, guys. But yeah, I'll open a few spots for all of you beautiful people who want to join in because we are sold out and we only have a few spots here. So I'll open 3 spots. So go check it out. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll keep you guys updated on this in-depth technical analysis and in the coming price action. Guys, we're going to make a lot of money in 2022. I am super excited to see how many lives are going to be changed simply by following these technical analysis videos and alerts, guys. I'm super excited. To hear a lot of your success stories in the coming year. It's going to be beautiful, my friends. Hopefully, I'm trying to get 100 people. This is my goal for 2022. 100 people to make over $100,000 in cryptocurrency using my methods, okay? I want to help you guys. I want to help you individually, one by one, and get to that level, okay? Now, I haven't had a student make over $100,000 yet. I have had a student make I've turned $2,500, $2,500 into $41,000, but it's not into $100,000. So that is my next goal. I want to focus on one person to start off and then build up, because 100 people, that's a whole lot of people, but I am confident that we will. I gotta aim for the stars so you at least get to the moon. That's my psychology there. So I'm excited. Even if that can happen for one person, I will be fulfilled, my friends. That will be so amazing. I want to share my success, share my techniques with all you beautiful people, and change your lives. Literally, that'll make me happy. Yeah. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. I'm going to open a few spots up for all of you people who want to join. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace, guys.